Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a BAPI automation script utilizing Process Runner. We have an Excel file containing customer numbers, and we would like to download various data based on the customer numbers directly to the Excel spreadsheet. Let's open Process Runner Enterprise, and on the Start screen, double-click on New RFM BAPI. Now we can type in the RFM or BAPI we want to utilize, so let's type BAPI _ customer _ get detail 2. Notice as we type, Process Runner provides a helpful search feature to assist in finding the name of the BAPI. If we have a custom BAPI, we can enter the BAPI name, however it will not be displayed in the search. Let's double-click our BAPI to select it. Now let's click on the More button and select the Advanced Record Options tab. The checkbox Auto Map Return Fields is selected by default, and this will automatically map our SAP return messaging to the specified column, which is currently set to Q. For this example, we are going to map the return messaging manually, so let's deselect the checkbox and click OK. Now let's click OK again to confirm our BAPI selection and settings, and we are prompted to log on to an SAP system. After we enter our username and password, we are taken to the Mapper ribbon of Process Runner. Here we can map our fields to the Excel spreadsheet. The Mapper ribbon of a BAPI script has distinct differences from the Mapper ribbon of a transaction script, as there are 3 tabs at the top. The first tab, Upload to SAP, allows us to upload the input data to SAP, which is critical for this particular BAPI to function properly. The second tab, Download from SAP, allows us to download the output data from SAP into our Excel spreadsheet. The third tab, Upload Download from SAP, is useful for fields where we can either input or output data from SAP. Let's keep the Upload to SAP tab selected and start with our input data. We need to link the BAPI automation script to the external Excel spreadsheet shown earlier, so using the drop-down, let's select Use External Excel File, and now we can locate the Excel file, select it, and press Open. Our BAPI script is linked to the external Excel file, and we are ready to map our fields. Before we begin our mapping, let's click on Advanced View at the top. This will allow us to see which fields are optional to map, and which fields are mandatory. In this case, the company code field is optional, while the customer number is mandatory. Since our customer numbers are in column A, let's drag and drop column A to the customer number field to have it map automatically. Notice the mapping type has been set to Excel to SAP since we are uploading data from Excel to SAP. One more thing we need to do in this tab is add leading zeros to our customer numbers. We can do this by clicking on the Dynamic Formula dropdown and selecting Add Leading Zeros. Next, let's click on the Download from SAP tab. From here, we can select any of the fields we want to download data from SAP to our Excel spreadsheet. We can select multiple fields by holding the Control button as we click on the fields we want to add. Once we have our selection, right-click on any of the fields, select Fast Map, and click on SAP to Excel. The fields will automatically be mapped. We can also manually map fields on an individual basis while assigning it whatever mapped value we want. Let's scroll to the bottom of our field options where we have the return messaging fields for SAP. We can select any of the return messaging we would like to map, and the mapping process is the same for the other fields. Let's select all of the return fields to map, choose Fast Map, and select SAP to Excel. Let's go to the Upload Download from SAP tab. We have the option to select a field, and for the mapping type, we can choose Excel to SAP if we want to upload the data to SAP, or SAP to Excel if we want to download data from SAP. We will not be using any of these fields for this BAPI, so we will leave the mapping blank in this tab. Let's click on the Home ribbon, then set our Start and End rows. Now we are ready to run our BAPI automation script. Click on the Run button, and we are prompted to save the script. After clicking Yes, we can save the script anywhere we'd like on our hard drive or network. We are then prompted to confirm our SAP logon, and once we click OK, the BAPI script will execute, quickly writing the data for these customer numbers to our Excel spreadsheet. Let's look at our Excel spreadsheet, where we have the data in the columns we mapped, as well as the SAP status messaging, which we can see was successful. This video was a brief overview of how to create a BAPI automation script using Process Runner. If you would like further assistance with Process Runner, more online resources can be accessed from the Help ribbon, such as step-by-step tutorials and video tutorials. Thank you for watching.